Hello, children. Hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our online class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, bless us in our online class today. Help us to grow in love and kindness, more like you every day. Amen. Okay, children. Today's class we are going to start with Unit 5 Interconcepts. Okay. So last class we studied about measurements and capacity, weight, all these things we saw about the conversions, how to convert upper scale unit to lower scale unit and lower scale unit to upper scale unit, and we saw about 4 operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so today's class we are going to start with a new concept, that is interconcept. In this we are going to compare time, money and distance. What is that? We are going to compare time, money and distance. Okay, so there is always a relationship between time, money and distance. Suppose consider, if you daily you are coming to school, from your home you are coming to school. So you are coming to school by some vehicle, that is maybe it may be by auto, or it may be by bus, or by bike, anything. Okay, so there is always a relationship, that is time. So how much time it takes for you to come from your home to school, that is one thing. And how much money you are spending, that is it may be for a vehicle you are using petrol, okay, or for auto you are giving money or anything. So okay, that is how much money you are spending and what is the distance you are traveling. Okay, so these three things we are going to compare and we are going to see. Okay, so let's start the lesson now. Take your book, page number 41. Page number 41. Okay. So activity, second activity we shall do now. Okay, so distances are given below from Chennai to Kanyakumari. So they have given distance from Chennai to Kanyakumari. Okay, so 1 mile is equal to, is approximately, so they are not given an equal, it is called as approximate. The symbol for approximate is this one. Okay, it is 1.610 kilometers. So the numbers after point you should not tell as a whole number, you should spell it as a single digit. So 1.610 kilometer, you should not tell 1.610, you should tell 1.610 kilometer. Okay, approximately. Okay, so they are given the distance. So Chennai 0 kilometers. So Chennai to Tambaram it is 35 kilometer. Chennai to Dindivanam 128 kilometers. So they are starting from Chennai and they are going to Kanyakumari. So distance between the Chennai to Kanyakumari is 707 kilometers. 707 kilometers. So now we shall answer few questions here. Okay. The distance between Chennai to Dindivanam. The distance between Chennai to Dindivanam. So Chennai it is 0 kilometer and Dindivanam it is 128 kilometer. Okay, so it is 128 kilometer. Okay. Next is the distance between Chennai to Viluppuram. Chennai to Viluppuram. So Chennai to Viluppuram it is 172 kilometer. 172 kilometer. Okay. Next comes the distance between Chennai to Tiruchi. Chennai to Tiruchi. Chennai to Tiruchi it is 332 kilometer. 332 kilometer. Okay. Next comes the distance between Tiruchi to Madurai. Tiruchi to Madurai. So Tiruchi what is the kilometer and Madurai what is the kilometer? 442 Madurai and Tiruchi is 332. So bigger number first we are writing. So 462 minus 332. So here and all why we didn't minus means every time they are starting from Chennai. Chennai is 0 kilometer. Okay, so the number which is coming for the next one is we are writing, and but here Tiruchi it is 332 and Madurai it is 462. So 462 minus 332. What is that? It is 130 kilometer. You subtract and see. Okay, 132 kilometer. Okay, next one is Madurai to Tirunelveli. Madurai to Tirunelveli. So what is Tirunelveli? It is 624 minus 462. Okay, the answer is 162 kilometer. 162 kilometer. Next comes Chennai to Kanyakumari. Chennai to Kanyakumari, it is 707 kilometer. And the distance between Tiruchi to Kanyakumari. Tiruchi to Kanyakumari. So 707 minus 332. Okay, it is 375 kilometer. Okay, next Dindivanam to Tirunelveli. Dindivanam to Tirunelveli. So what is Dindivanam and what is Tirunelveli? So Tirunelveli, it is 624 minus Dindivanam, it is 128. So it is 496 kilometer. Okay, the distance between Chennai to Madurai, it is 462 kilometer. Which is the longest distance? Chennai to Tiruchi or Chennai to Madurai? Chennai to Tiruchi, it is 332 kilometer. Chennai to Madurai, it is 462 kilometers. So Chennai to Madurai is the correct. It is the longest distance. Okay, I think you all understand. Very simple. We are going to subtract. Okay, next we shall move on to the lesson. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to compare what? Time, money and distance. Time, money and distance. So 3 important formulas you have to remember. What is that? 3 important formulas you have to remember. Okay, so what is that? So speed equal to distance by time. Then time is equal to distance by speed. Distance equal to speed into time. These 3 formulas we are important. It is very important in this chapter. Okay, so in a sum they would have given distance and time. They have asked you to find the speed. Then what is the formula you will use? You will use speed equal to distance and divided by time. So distance or time value வந்து sumல கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. உங்களை ஸ்பீட் கண்டுபிடிக்க சொன்னால் what you will do? You will use this formula, that is speed equal to distance divided by time. Similarly, they would have given distance and speed. They would ask you to find the time. So then the formula is time equal to distance by speed. And speed and time would have given, you would have asked you to find the distance. So the formula is distance equal to speed into time. These 3 formulas is very important. You just memorize these 3 formulas. With this only we are going to do the sums. Okay, so we shall go to the exercise 5.1. Answer the following. So they have given the speed and they have given the time. They have asked you to find the distance. So what is the formula? Distance கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா the formula is distance equal to speed into time. What is that? Speed into time. Okay, so now we are going to do. So first sum, speed, what is the value for speed? Speed equal to first sum 48 kilometer per hour. So இந்த இப்படி போட்டிருக்காங்க, இந்த ஸ்லாஷ் போட்டிருக்கிறது what you will do? Kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. So 48 kilometer per hour. So 1 kilometer, ஒரு கிலோமீட்டருக்கு 48 kilometer speedsல is going. Okay, then time equal to 2 hours. So distance equal to what? we are going to find the distance. So what is the formula for distance? Distance equal to speed into time. Speed into time. So what is the value for speed? 48. Or into, what is the value for time? 2. 48 into 2. So 2 8s are 16, 6, 1 carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so the answer is 96 kilometers. So he is traveling 96 kilometers. This is how you will find. Okay, so one more sum we will do. Speed equal to 35 kilometer per hour. Okay, and time equal to 3 hours. So distance equal to what? So distance formula, distance equal to speed into time. Speed into time. So what we will do? 35 into 3. Okay, so 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. So 105 kilometer. What is that? 105 kilometer is the answer. Okay, yes. Now we shall move on to the next one. So see this question. Distance covered in 2 hours at a speed of 20 miles. They have given the distance, they have given the speed. Okay, they have asked us to find the time. Okay, so distance they have given the time and they have given the speed also. They have asked us to find out the distance. So similar formula you will use and you will find. Okay, same distance equal to speed into time. Okay, that is how you will do. Okay, this activity I will give you as homework. Please do this activity. Page number 43, activity 3. Please do it as homework. This is also same like what we did for this first activity. Okay, this activity do it as homework. Okay, next we are going to find the relation between speed, time and distance. Okay, so see this exercise 5.2. okay, we are going to find the time. They have given the speed, they have given the distance, and we are going to find the time. Okay, so what is the formula to find the time? It is time equal to distance by speed. Okay, so in this first sum they have given speed equal to 35 kilometer per hour. Okay, and distance equal to 280 kilometer. So we are going to find the time. Okay, we are going to find the time. Okay, so time equal to, we are going to find. Yes, so we shall find. What is the formula to find the time? Time equal to distance by speed. So what is the distance here? 280. What is the speed? 35. Okay, so we are going to divide. Okay, so first you see this numbers. So this is ending with 0 and this is ending with 5. 0 and 5 will end in which table? 5 tables. Okay, so we shall divide by 5 tables. So 5 tables, how many times? It is 35 is 7 times. 5 tables 35 is 7 times. 5 tables 280 how many times? 5 tables 28 will not come, 25 will come 5 times. Okay, reminder 3, the 3 is going here and it is 6 times. Okay, simply divide and see. 280 divide by 5, what is 5 times 25, reminder is 3, 0, 6 times. Okay, this is how. Okay, then 7, 56. 7 tables 56 how many times? 8 times. It is 8 times. So 7 tables 56, 8 times. So the answer is 8 hours. Okay, this is how you will divide. So simply dividing this number by 35 will be difficult for you. That is why I told this method. So if you want, you can divide by 35 also. So the answer is 8 hours. Okay, next we shall move on to the another sum. Okay, second sum, speed equal to 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, distance equal to 300 kilometer. Okay, so we are going to find the time. So what is the formula for time? Time equal to distance by speed. Okay, so what is the distance here? 300. What is the speed? It is 50. Okay, so we are going to divide. For this 10, this 10 is gone. So 10 is gone. So 5 tables 30, how many times? 6 times. So the answer is 6 hours. Okay, 6 hours. This is simple division. Okay, this is how you will divide. Okay, so they have given the speed and they have given the distance also. They have asked you to find the time. So what is the formula to find the time? Time equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, this is how you will do. Okay, next we shall go on to the next exercise. That is, they have given the distance, they have given the money, and they have asked for find the total cost. Yes, they have given the distance, they have given the money, and they have asked to find the total cost. What is that? Total cost. So distance is 180 kilometer. 1 kilometer it is 5 rupees. For 180 kilometer, what is that? 180 into 5. So it is the similar concept. 1 ice cream is 10 rupees. Then 5 ice cream, you will multiply 10 by 5. That is 10 5s are 50 rupees. Similarly, for 1 kilometer it is 5 rupees. Okay, and for 180 kilometer, how much means? You will multiply 180 into 5. Okay, and next one, 220 kilometer, per kilometer it is 8 rupees. So 8 into 220, like that you will do. Okay, so these are simple sums. If you know the formula, you can able to do. Okay children, so I shall give you few homework. So I want everybody to send the homework, not just simply the same students who send always that 1 or 2. I want everybody to do it and send me. Okay, so first sum, speed equal to 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, and time equal to 5 hours. Distance equal to what? Okay, second sum, speed equal to 55 kilometer per hour. Distance equal to 275 kilometer. So what is the time? These two sums, just write it as homework in your rough note. Please send it to me. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.